Hello guys, this is going to be my 2-minute fix-up picture. So you can see this car that I've just done here. It's very simply done. It's very flat and looks quite squashed on the ground. So I've just done a duplicate here, quite similar. But let's see what we can do to fix this. So I'm going to do the front end again, but a bit more straighter lines. I'm not going to do long wobbly lines. I'm just going to flick the pen across to give me nice straight edges. Now this front end is coming down here. So that motion coming down, I'm going to follow that on the back, like so. And then for the lower part of the car, I'm going to do it straight across. Follow that for the roof. And then bring it down for the back window. Then bring it across for the rear. From that, we can do the wheel arch. Just light flick motions. Then let's bring this across. So lines going across here. In the picture, I've done a rear picture of the rear of the car. I don't want to curl that round. I want to give it more of a sharp drop at the end. Let's add a bumper on the front. Maybe let's do just some vents. Maybe some lights there. Then instead of doing the wheel all squashed up like so, I'm going to do it just inside. Like that, so it looks like it's turned in and it's facing that way. Then instead of doing the doors that are all squiggly going across, we're just going to do them straight down, and then do the side window, and then the door handles. Now this wheel is all squashed up. Let's just do a little elapsed shape there, and then just fill this in. Get a nice lower, darker shade at the bottom. Do a little bit of the wheel rim, and then the sunroof to finish off. So instead of doing like little squiggly lines and holding the pen down quite firmly, just remember to do gradual flick lines and add some details in there. So I've got the grille, the lights, the door handles, the wheel arches, and you can see now how the car comes down at this angle and comes across from there. The ground level comes across there. This car will come back down there and across. So let's give it that nice perspective as such. Hope you enjoyed this video guys, and I'll see you later.